Where are your prescription sunglasses? Yep. Oh, look at that, man! Check this out, man! Oh, I lost one. I hope I got that on the GoPro. I got one per hook, man. Yep. Oh, there's a bunch of bait over here. It's coming towards me. Yeah. It's not that big. Little trap. Yep. Keep on throwing it out there, boy. GoPro on? Yes, sir. Get in there, Dad. Jack. Jack. We're on it, boys. Slam that swim bait. Hey, another decent one. Yeah, it goes down deeper. Try not to get us too close over there to the side. So try not to get us too close to the edge. Like right here is perfect, probably. Oh, oh, wait. I want to drag, boy. No, it was a red. Did you see that? Was it a red? Yeah. Did you see his red look to him? Oh. Oh, check this thing out. What is this? Ladyfish? Snook, man. Check that out. You're coming to me. Coming to me, puppy. Put that bad boy down. Got it on camera. Oh, they're like blowing up in. Got it? Yeah. Oh, he's big, he's big, he's big. Get him, Dad. Yeah, buddy. Turn up your drag. Get him. Nice one. You got it. Yee-hoo! That's all right. It's worth it. Good one, Daddy-o. Nice. It's a good sign.
I took that. I said it 'cause he hit it. Go back a little bit.
Oh, yeah. On top water. Come on, buddy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at this beast. Yeah, you're not letting go of that thing. Oh, come here. Get that butt over here. Yes, sir. I'm talking about. I got it. Perfect. As I do it myself. Oh. He's swirling on it. You see it? Yeah. I don't know if that's a snook. That might be something else. Yes, yes, yes. That camera. Oh no. Snapped it right off. Stay on, buddy. Another one, another snook. There he is. Sick. Yeah, yeah. Don't say anything. Come on, Bubba. Well, this is 20 pounds, all right.